Hello, my name's Aaron and I'm the creator of this complete iOS 9 Objective-C course. And in this course,
you will learn how to develop 20 applications from fun and simple games to powerful utility apps using the native features of iOS devices, all within the Objective-C language.
But don't worry, I won't drop you straight into the deep end. I've structured this course very carefully to make sure that you can get the very best out of learning. You don't need any coding experience as we start from the ground up.
Each lecture that you watch is clean and crisp and set at an easy pace to make sure what you are learning doesn't blow over your head. Each lecture has its own downloadable project so you can get your hands on the exact source code created in the videos.
When enrolled into the course, you can get access to the course forums,
where I can help you with any questions, problems you may encounter, and together we can make you become a better iOS developer. So take your first step here and enroll in my complete iOS 9 Objective-C course, where you will learn to create 20 applications all within the Objective-C language.